Wash our onions, jalapenos, tomatoes, peppers. I'm just going to smash our garlic so we can peel it nice and easy. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our garlic cloves whole and we're going to throw them right in our blender. We're going to hit those first. Next, we're just going to start chucking our whole chunked up vegetables in. That's the beauty of this recipe, is there's not a lot of prep work needed. So we're just going to get those stuffed in there. Our tomatoes, we're just going to cut off the little stem part. We're going to add a couple tomatoes in there to get some liquid going. Just keep on going. We're going to add this to a big stock pot once we get this kind of full. Okay, we're going to go ahead and empty this out. We're going to add in our couple ingredients. We got a 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 2.5 tablespoons of pickling salt, and we're going to hit it in the blender again. Last tomato. We got just this to blend, and then we're going to move it to the oven. Next, we're going to take our salsa blend and we're going to put it on the oven, and we are going to bring it up to a boil and then reduce it. Almost forgot, we need to add 2 tablespoons of vinegar. All right, just going to continue to give this a stir as it's warming up. Did a taste test and it is good. Now, obviously what we're doing here is we're going to reduce this, so we're going to intensify the flavor. We're going to reduce the liquid by probably at least 1/3, so stay tuned. All right, we're about an hour into the simmer and we are reducing. Our level came down about 1 inch, but we are going to keep on going. And as you can see, we are continuing to reduce. It's getting thicker, thicker. We're just going to go a little bit longer and then we're going to let this cool. All right, we're at about 2 hours of simmering. We've reduced it by 30 to 40%. So now we're going to take it off the heat and we're going to let this cool down. And then we're going to have a taste test and we're going to get this ready for freezing. There it is, just cooling down. All right, let's give it a taste test. I've had this before, so I know it's delicious, but just notice how thick, yummy this is. Just a little bit of heat, but great thickness. Got that garlic, a little bit of jalapeno heat. Not too bad, those really well blended. Give this a try. Let me know what you think, and thanks for watching.